Hello, Chennai. So, welcome you to this special session in Southern Kota for how to crack IIT JEE and NEET. What are the importance of these examination in your life? So, myself Gaurav Yadav, and I am the academic coordinator for this institute in Chennai, and myself, Mr. Akshay is here. So, Mr. Akshay, can you please give your introduction?
Uh, Hi friends, I'm Akshay. I'm currently doing my fifth year in dual degree mechanical engineering in IIT Madras, and I'm a part of Southern Kota's academic mentorship team.
Okay, so Akshay sir, you yourself had cracked IIT JEE, and what do you feel that you got, I think, 6,000 rank in IIT JEE, and you are a very sincere student, and now you are among one of the topper in IIT Madras. So, what do you feel that if a student start preparing early for IIT JEE and medical like examination, so is there any benefit of it?
Yes, definitely. I agree. I myself got introduced to the IIT and NEET and the various things right from my 8th standard. And I believe that students have to set the goal right in the beginning phase, 8th, 9th, and 10th. And once they set the goal, then they can beginning their preparation right from there. Because as I've interacted with many of my friends and other students, we require a good foundation before we enter into 11th and 12th in order to get the depth of knowledge in physics, chemistry, and maths, which these competitive exams actually demand.
Mhm. So, Akshay sir, I want to ask one thing to you. You are a IIT and you are a part of mentorship team for Southern Kota. There are a lot of institute here in Chennai. How your institute is different, or how this institute will provide the better direction to the students to crack IIT or medical like examination?
Okay, yes. My understanding is that as we all know, that Kota is the best place where we see that every year, year after year, consistently they're generating toppers in all these campuses. And Southern Kota is a venture where we're bringing in this academic system of Kota, and the training, the education, and the faculty and the material, study material. So that's a wonderful venture, which I feel that it's a tested success tip. So apart from that, I think most institutes merely focus on the intellectual or the academic side of the student, but not the moral side. The moral side becomes a very important part of the student's life, because that is what determines what the student does apart from his study hours, which affects the study hours in turn. So Southern Kota helps students in developing moral education in the right direction, how to spend time in a wise way, which helps one actually do their studies better.
All right. So nowadays students are more distracted. Parents are also worried that students are using these mobile phones, and they have they got easily influenced by their friends, and they don't listen to their parents. So you had add one more thing, that you are providing special lessons on moral education through this book, this art of concentration in the age of distraction. So, can you tell how you will deliver these lessons to the student and benefit to the student?
Yes, I agree with what you have said. That actually, in this age, as I've passed through this phase, I myself went through a lot of distractions, a lot of stress, a lot of lack of confidence, and inconsistency in my preparation and the tests and all that. So I realized that I was later on, when I came across this book called Art of Concentration in the Age of Distraction, I felt that it's a wonderful book at this time where the student actually needs this kind of guidance. So in this book, the author is from IIT Kharagpur. He's a graduate from IIT Kharagpur, and he has very well presented the problems of the students, what we actually go through, and he has given apt solutions, especially for improving one's focus, one's determination and self-control, to stay away from distractions, and also how to train our mind to get to the goal. Most people are unable to reach their goal because of the lack of focus. And apart from that, he talks about self-confidence, time management, and what kind of habits one has to have in order to actually maintain a good lifestyle conducive to achieve these good results in competitive exams. So, as in a wholesome way, this book will give a moral education altogether: habits, lifestyle, mindset, attitudes. So, this is what we'll be trying to teach the students, and we plan to do so maybe on a regular basis, monthly or weekly basis, where we'll be teaching these lessons. Mentors from the Arjuna group, which is the publisher of this book, will be coming forward, and they'll be personally mentoring the students and teaching concepts from this book. So that is
Okay.
my.
So, this institute is providing moral education plus the modern education.
Yes.
So, I think this is a unique combination of moral education with modern education. So, sir, you are teaching kids of class 8th, 9th, and 10th. So, sometimes parents are worried that the preparation is required or not. So, what do you think that this study material and this preparation is required for the student or not?
Yes, I from my side, I see that there's a lot of difference. If a student starts preparing from 8th, 9th, and 10th, and a student who begins in 11th and 12th. So actually, in the 8th, 9th, and 10th, we usually have a general term called science. But actually, if you see the competitive exams, it's a very discrete, focused effort in all the three parts of science: physics, chemistry, and maths, and we need a specific preparation and practice and depth of knowledge in each of these. And I feel that when I got to see this material from Southern Kota, as you can see, chemistry, then there is physics foundation. So all these books, they're exclusively focusing on these subjects as a core individually, and they're trying to help students build a very strong foundation right from their 8th, 9th, 10th. So I believe that it's a very important step that a student has to take right from their beginning.
Mhm. So, friends, this is the basic thing which you need to understand, and the importance of education in your life. So, Southern Kota is providing you all the study material, test papers, teachers from Kota, and moral education also. Like, we are the only institute in Chennai which is providing a regular mentorship program for moral education also, that how to stay away from distraction, how to stay away from negative things in your life, how to stay focused, and how to get success in your life. So, we wish you all the best, and we wish that you will also get success in your life with Southern Kota. Thank you.